कोनिचिवा मिनासान। तो ये हमारा छोटा सा एक कांजी का टेस्ट होने वाला है फॉर दी JLPT N5, जिससे तुम्हारी जितनी भी कांजी की जो स्किल्स है वो अच्छी तरीके से टेस्ट हो जाएगी। सो या लेट्स गो। ओके, सो आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है यामा तो कावा, पार्ट सी। ओके, सो नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। ओके, सो नाउ गेस किए किसकी कांजी है। ए तोतो, बी हितो, सी की, या फिर डी मोकू। इट्स बी हितो, which means a person. Okay, now next. Okay, so now guess the correct kanji. It's C kane, which means money. Now next. Okay, so which kanji means watashi? It's C watashi. Now which is the correct kanji for yawn? That's 4. It's B yawn. Okay, so now what is this written? It's written sensei. Sensei. That means D is the correct option. So now what is the meaning of this kanji? A kuruma, B sakana, C kane, or D kurushi. It's A kuruma, which means a car. Okay, so now next. So what is the meaning of this kanji? It's me, which means it is go gatsu. Go gatsu, which means me. Now next. Correct kanji for mizu. It's A mizu. Now the last question. Which kanji is this? A ishi, B ashi, C kame, or D ame. The correct answer is D ame, which means rain. So what is your score? Comment down and please subscribe for more JLPT N5 tests like this. Jane.